In the Middle Ages, gout was known as the disease of the wealthy. Nowadays, it is one of the most common metabolism illnesses among adults that is associated with nutrition. Gout results from excessively high uric acid levels in the blood. There are two types of gout: primary gout, which is congenital, and secondary gout, which is an acquired disease. Primary gout is the result of a metabolism problem associated with insufficient removal of waste by the kidneys. In the case of the second form, the gout is caused by illnesses such as tumors, anemia, and diabetes with kidney function problems. Nutrition-related causes include total fasting and the increased consumption of meat and alcohol. What is a high uric acid level? Well, according to the Mayo Clinic, a high uric acid level, or also known as hyperuricemia, is an excess of uric acid in your blood. This acid is usually produced during the breakdown of purine, the substance found in many different foods. When everything is functioning normally in the organism, the uric acid dissolves in the blood and passes through the kidneys. In this way it's eliminated from the body through the urine. But sometimes we eat foods which can cause high uric acid levels. And one of these unhealthy foods is sugar. Well, yes, overconsumption of sugar can cause a high uric acid level. The fructose can increase the uric acid levels, and it can cause decreased nitric oxide levels, elevated angiotensin levels, and smooth muscle cell contractions that lead to higher blood pressure and potential kidney damage. You should also know that high uric acid levels are related to low-level inflammation, which can be a cause of many different diseases and health problems. Normal uric acid levels are: men 3.4 to 7.0 mg per deciliter, women 2.4 to 6.0 mg per deciliter. Fortunately, there are some natural ingredients, which are very useful in reducing and controlling the uric acid levels in your organism. These are the best and most effective ones. Celery seeds. Celery seeds are rich in omega-6 fatty acids and other diuretic oils. As a powerful diuretic, it helps in cleaning the system of excess liquids by stimulating the kidneys to flush out the uric acid. It alkalizes your blood and also lowers inflammation in the body. You can take half teaspoon of dried celery seeds once a day, but remember to have plenty of water with it. 5. High fiber foods. The same study conducted by University of Maryland also recommends that you should add more high fiber foods to your diet in order to control the level of uric acid in blood. Dietary fiber absorbs the excess uric acid in your blood and helps it to get eliminated from your body. Oats, bananas, and grains like jowar and bajra are good sources of soluble fiber. Apple cider vinegar. As we all know, this super healthy ingredient can provide many health benefits. Apple cider vinegar works as a natural detoxifier, which can help you eliminate wastes like uric acid from the human body. So, by drinking apple cider vinegar, the uric acid crystals break up and it prevents them from reforming in the joints, by helping with blood circulation and purification. But you should know one thing: the apple cider vinegar for this type of treatment should be raw, unpasteurized, distilled and without any additives. It's because raw apple cider vinegar contains high amounts of malic acid, which is very useful and beneficial in breaking down and eliminating uric acid crystals. We can also mention that apple cider vinegar helps to restore the alkaline acid balance in the human body, and it also provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. How to control uric acid levels with apple cider vinegar? First, you need to mix 1 teaspoon of raw, organic, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Make sure you drink this mixture 3 times, every day. You will be amazed by the results. The pain from your painful joints will simply disappear.